Hello guys! Welcome to our 13th ball of our Fill the Fridge Challenge. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video so that we can do more. Let's open this ball and let's pop it up. There is our magnet. Uh-oh, we have a duplicate. That's the pretzel. We open our fridge again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages this time. For our first, let's open it. Oh, we have a duplicate, the strawberry syrup. There it is. For our second, we have a new one, the mini version of our Hershey's chocolate syrup. There's the big one, and here's the mini one. For our third, let's see. We have a new one, the grape flavor Olapop. That's nice. For our fourth, uh-oh, we have another duplicate, the lamb chop. For our fifth, another duplicate. That's the eggplant there. For our sixth, another duplicate, the milk bottle. There it is, our milk bottle. And for our last, the seventh one, uh-oh, another duplicate of the Panda Express. So please follow, and thanks for watching, guys.